The National Weather Service has issued a storm watch for Moore, Oklahoma, Wichita Falls, Texas, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Joplin, Missouri. If you live in these cities, please stay cautious. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for Moore, Oklahoma, Wichita Falls, Texas, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Joplin, Missouri. If you live in those cities, stay cautious. A tornado may form. Stay calm. Find a battery-powered radio. Grab enough food and water to last you for a day in case these tornadoes last longer than expected. Stay alert. Seek shelter in underground shelter and stay calm. If you are in a car when a tornado hits, grab something soft, for example, a pillow or a blanket. Don't unbuckle your seat belt. If there's nothing soft in the car, use your arms to cover you from the debris. If you are outside, get to the nearest shelter immediately. If you are unable to, lie down in a nearby ditch or under a sturdy tree. Remember to lie down flat with your knees on your chest and have your arms and hands over your head in case of flying debris. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado outbreak for Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Kansas, Arkansas, Colorado. If you live in those states, seek shelter now. These tornadoes have wind speed over 350 miles per hour. It is expected to be a EF5 once it touches the ground. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Seek shelter now. The tornado has been estimated to be over 9 hours long. Doppler radar indicated a huge storm capable of producing tornadoes and wind speeds over 300 miles per hour. Seek shelter now.